The Trust Vostok-Neft-Zavod Montaj was founded in Ufa in 1958 on the base of the 9th Construction Department of the 7th Moscow Trust. Company specialists have performed installation of large modern manufactures in companies in Bashkortostan, Tatarstan, Orenburg and Astrakhan gas refining complexes in Volga and Siberia regions. Vostok-Neft-Zavod Montaj has been famous since the 70s for the unique installation technology of large-sized heavy machinery and constructions. During the development of market relations in Russia, the company preserved and established powerful production capacity as well as a reputation of a reliable partner. Responsibilities of a contractor: bonding and installation of technological equipment weighing up to 1,000 tons, as well as installation of vacuum duplex metal columns, production of joints and pipeline installation, steel construction, towers up to 125 meters. Production, installation, and maintenance of steel tanks and gas holders made by rolling technology, which comprise up to 50,000 cubic meters. Installment and maintenance of compressor pumping equipment, refrigerating stations and devices, projecting, production, installation and startup of tube furnaces, welding of high alloyed and heat-resistant steel, titanium and aluminum alloys, thermal treatment and quality control of alloy junctions, projection and turnkey construction of oil refinery, petroleum chemistry, oil production sites and other industries, startup works, general construction and equipment diagnostic. The trust comprises of 9 installation companies, 2 metal construction factories, motorization department, project institute, construction department, laboratory of diagnostics, metal and alloy control, material resources department, sector of special construction work, educational accreditation center. There are 9 shop floors of pipe stock material in every installation company. The shop floor of tank constructions for installation by list bonding. The shop floor of tank construction made by rolling. Manipulators for bonding and welding spheric tanks. $950 items of welding equipment, 140 cranes and devices. $5,400 specialists and laborers are employed in this company. 620 welders of manual, semi-automatic and automatic welding. 380 of which are certified to perform welding at the sites of Rostekhnadzor. Many of them are certified by foreign companies, such as Technip, Largi, Kobe Steel, Mitsuri, to perform welding works when installing technological equipment, pipelines and constructions. Vostok-Neft-Zavod Montaj welders always improve their skills and take part in welding contests in Bashkortostan, Russia and UIC, held under the alias of International Welding Forum, where they prove their skills by taking top places in all nominations. There is a certification center which is part of Head Certification Center of Bashkortostan. Each installation company has welding tuition centers. Vostok Neft Zavod Montaj working team is a mobile group consisting of 6 to 10 skilled workers. Among them are welders, gas cutters, and installers. They are provided with a set of modern tools and equipment. All operating staff of our company are certified and able to perform work of any difficulty. It helps our company to make benefit and look forward to the future. The shop floor of pipe stock material and metal construction factories allow to install pipeline and constructions with a maximum sized blocks and joints, which are welded at the factory. Transfer of JSC, Dvigatel Montage, shareholding to trust management widened the company's opportunities to install all kinds of compressor pumping, imported equipment. The system of controlling projects has been introduced and is successfully operating at the moment. The leading specialists manage the works, coordinate subcontracting companies in realization of a project, work out construction plans, and control their accomplishments. Due to long-term partnership with production factories, suppliers, Vostok Neft Zavod Montaj provides complete set of the site, and so the customer has no need to search for supplier. As an experienced partner and contractor, Vostok Neft Zavod Montaj has the possibility to attract companies which specialize in kinds of work not specific for them. Companies such as Bash Electro Montage, Prom Ventilation, Ural Montage Automatic, Teplo Solisaya, and many others. Vostok Neft Zavod Montage companies are growing constantly. From 2002 to 2008, the volume of work increased in 396%. Worker efficiency increased in 233%. Qualified work of Vostok Neft Zavod Montaj managers, specialists and other employees was recognized by auditors of German company RV-TÜV as according with the international standard ISO 9002-1994. This document is recognition of high skill of all employees. In 2008, quality system of the company was certified as according with the requirements of standard ISO 9001-2008. Control of welding quality is made by Welding Laboratory. The Central Laboratory of Diagnostics, Metal and Welding Control is accredited by an independent accreditation agency at MSTU. In 2005, all Vostok Neft Zavod Montaj companies went through certified audit of system management quality by the representative of Central System Certification Transat. For about 50 years, Vostok Neft Zavod Montaj development strategy has been connected with rapidly developing branches of fuel and energy industry of Bashkortostan and Russia. A unique experience and skill have been preserved year after year. The skill of installers is growing with every site, as well as the structure of company management is developing. Since the foundation of the company, the installers have completed enormous volume of installation works in construction of the whole oil refinery and petrochemical complex in Bashkortostan, Ufa Neftichem, NPZ, Salavat Nefti Og Synthes, Ufa Og Synthes, Caustic, and Soda. After the completion of works Salavat Nefti Og Synthes, the production of ethyl benzol styrol has been started that has no analogues in Russia. Vostok Neftzavod Montage companies installed more than 500 items of equipment, 259 kilometers of pipeline, and 3,000 tons of metal construction at this factory. As we have been partners with Vostok Neftzavod Montage for many years, we know all the strengths of this company and use them in our partnership. This is the organization you can always rely on, and it will never let you down. That is the reason we never organize tenders in installation works. I hope that the further development of Salavat Neftoxyntez will be connected with this company. The company performed a big amount of work in production and installation of equipment, pipeline, steel tanks and constructions, corrosion-resistant silo towers, in the construction of a large complex in Blagoveshchensk producing polyester fibers. The company has installed thousands of tons of metal constructions, kilometers of pipeline, and more than 1,500 items of equipment. Big amount of work is performed at the sites of Sidneft. As a contractor, the company performs reconstruction and building of oil production sites in Noyabrizhsk and installation of on-spot station at Omsk oil refinery plant. The company has also performed construction for Lukoil company in Volgograd and Kagalum in Perm region and Surgut. Construction of petroleum depot in Moscow, production, installation and maintenance of steel tanks at Bashneft sites and Transneft oil tank pipelines in Perm and Kurgan regions. In Udmurtia, Kazakhstan, installation and column maintenance at Otsk oil refinery plants, projecting, production and installation of pipe furnaces at Nizhny Kamsk, Saratov, Maritskih oil refinery plants. The company has also reconstructed gas refinery plant in Sasnagorsk, Komi Republic. The company has built and is still building pyrolysis furnaces upon the project of ABB Lumas company at Salavat Neftoxyntez. Consortium Vostok was founded on the Vostok Neftzavod Montage initiative with the aim of using rich experience and great capacity of scientific manufacturing companies which take part in foundation of Europe's largest petrochemical complex in Bashkortostan and promoting in the market of oil refinery, construction and upgrade for UIN and foreign countries. Consortium comprises Vostok Neftzavod Montage, Neftehim Pererabotka, Bashgi Proneftehim. Many of the largest modern factories were projected and constructed with the participation of consortium members. Joining the consortium 5 years ago was imposed by the will to realize all the ideas in the industry, together with designers and installers, when technologies emerge in the scientists' minds, and in 3 to 4 years, we may see the realization of these ideas. Successful production gives an opportunity to carry out an active social policy. Considerable resources are spent on employees and their families' health improvements. Hundreds of children go on vacation to the Black Sea. Employees have possibility to rest at health resorts in Bashkortostan. Every month, retired are paid up to 1,000 rubles, social allowances, depending on age, experience rate, and awards. The professional skill contest among employees is held each year in 29 nominations. The results come out the day before Constructors' Day, which is celebrated as Sabantui with prizes and concerts. In recent years, much attention has been devoted to sport. Vostok Neftzavod Montage sport teams always get prizes in local and city competitions. Vostok Neftzavod Montage team is the leader in Republican competitions among building companies. Vostok Neftzavod Montage is the sponsor of UGNTU Vostok Neftzavod Montage handball team, which successfully performs in the Major Handball League of Russian Federation. Educational Accreditation Center was founded to educate and improve employees' skills. It has a license for 56 kinds of training and career development, 20 kinds of training for managers and specialists in the sphere of industrial safety and labor protection. There is a regulation about payment for employees and their children's education in educational institutes. Every year, about 100 people study at universities. Training and further development of specialists concerned about employees' health and enforcement of social protections are investments in companies tomorrow. People understand it well enough in Vostok Neftzavod Montage.